Hey guys, welcome back to Detroit Garage. Something a little different. I filled up my forklift with BioDiesel and it runs really nice. I've had this forklift for about 6 years, and those of you that follow the channel have seen it quite a bit, but it's had a miss when it's cold and no load ever since I put it back together. I never rebuilt the engine. I just fixed the fuel pump and did minor maintenance on it, tuned it up, but it's been mistreated and it had a miss since I put it back into service. After filling it up with BioDiesel, the miss is gone. It's like somebody snuck in and rebuilt the engine. So it runs really nice. So I'll start it up for you and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So that's pretty normal where it'll miss when it's really cold when you first start it up. But that exhaust will clean up here in about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. And then that little miss is gone. But that's not the miss I'm talking about. I'm talking about when I'm running it. It's always missing between 1500, maybe 1800 RPM to 2100 RPM. It's running on 100% biodiesel. So what is that? About 45 seconds, 30 to 45 seconds, and it's almost smoke-free. So I'll let it warm up for 5 minutes and then I'll show you what I'm talking about with the it's about 3 minutes. I'm a little impatient, so 5 minutes seems like an eternity. But anyway, that's about 3 to 4 minutes. See, the temperature hasn't moved off the straw. So I'm going to put it up on the governor at 2100 and I'll show you what I'm talking about. No load and no miss when it's cold. Incredible. So I also put a can of stop leak in it, and it's not leaking out of the head gasket anymore. I know these are temporary measures, but I've driven junk diesels when I was a kid for years, and none of them came good like this one. So I've mentioned in other videos that this is a Buda diesel, a D175 that's been rebadged when Alice Chalmers bought the Buda company. So pretty interesting that BioDiesel can fix a miss like that. It might have been a pump-related miss. I'm not sure, because the pump was in pretty bad shape when I rebuilt it. So it might be that. But feast your eyes on this. I'll do a start video on this in another video. But here's my 1958 Detroit diesel, 253 series. I'll do another video on this one separately. We'll take it out and start it back up. And that's the engine that's going in this forklift. So it's looking pretty. And although the Buda's running really nice, I'm pulling it out anyway. It could probably last me the rest of my life, to be honest. But we're gonna pull it out. Yeah, the head gasket's still weeping. You can see the steam coming off. So it's never gonna be good unless I rebuild this engine. And that's not happening. Hard to get parts for them. Really hard. So there you have it, guys. Quick update on the Buda diesel in my 1965 Alice Chalmers forklift. It's used daily for the last 6 years, and it's never ever failed me. I've broken the hydraulic pump, the original one. I replaced that. I broke the shaft on the replacement hydraulic pump, and then I stripped the gears off the coupler, and I found some gears for it. So. But other than that, the engine and driveline's been working perfect. I have been spending some time on it recently and replaced some hydraulic hoses and stopped some fuel leaks and oil leaks. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys, and thanks for checking in, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.